Brand from Brand Fitness. I'm at home right now and I have a Tabata workout for you. So that is 20 seconds of work and 10 seconds of rest. We're not going to use any equipment, so just quick, get it done. And are you ready to get started? Okay, so our first exercise will be our squats with a touch down and reach up. So we're going to squat down and reach up, squat down and reach up. If you want to make this harder, you can add it onto your toes, or even harder, you can do a little jump. So make sure your squats are good. You're sitting back, low, bum is back, so I don't want this. That's hinging at the hip. I want it to be sitting down. Keep as tall as you can. See if you can touch. If you can touch down, that's great. Then I'll use the legs a little bit more. If you can't, that's fine too. Then the next one after that, we're just gonna do jabs. You can go slower like this, or you can like that, breathing, hold your core. So let's get started with the first round. So we're gonna start in 3, 2 with the squats and the reach. Let's go, down and reach up, down and reach, down. So toes, if you want, a little bit of a jump, tiny bit, or you can take this up, full impact if you want. Go, and go. Okay, awesome, 10 seconds rest. We're gonna go into jabs from here. So, get ready, and we're just gonna be jabbing out like this. So make sure you're pulling out, pulling back. So, or singles. There we go, keep going. Go, go. Breathing. Still going. Okay, rest. I'm gonna do it again. So it'll be 4 rounds, and I should be tired by the time we're finished. So you can do this, the first few, you can do it as your warm up, just a little, like small ones, just movement. If you're not warmed up yet, if you are warmed up, you can take it into the, up to your toes. So we're not adding any resistance, it's just all body weight. Stop, we've got the jabs. Jabs are next. So how are you feeling? My heart rate's up already. And let's go. Or just straight. So out, 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 pull it in. So not dancing like this, just put out, out. Keep it going. Go, 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 go. Almost there. And then stop, rest. We've got 5 seconds of rest. Catch your breath. Back to the touchdowns and the up. So down and lift. Do what's right for you. You can even put something on the floor so you don't have to come down as far. Or coming down all the way. Still going. And rest. We got the jabs again. How are you feeling? You still with me? Get ready. And we are going 2, 1, go. Go. Jab it out. You're actually jabbing out and pulling with your back. Pull back. So it's not like this. Out and in, out and in. Keep it tight. Go on, go, go. Okay, we got one more round. Are you still with me? Okay. Get ready in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Down and lift. Down, down. Still going. Okay, good. 2, 1, and we got jabs one more time. So, good cardio. That's what it is. Get your heart rate up high, up and down. Burning lots of calories that way. So it's a good calorie burn workout. And getting muscles in too. Pick whichever jabs you want to do. Still going. It's the last one. you're good for that round. So stay. We're gonna go right into the next round, grab some water, and get ready to go. Next round, we're doing lungebacks and we are doing push-ups. So for lungebacks, you're gonna take a lunge and you're gonna go backwards, and then up, and backwards, and up. So if your knees are sore, then you can just do a small step back. If you're good to go, then come down low and low. And if you want to kick it up more, you can do like a bit of a, like go like a little hop back, or you can do even more advanced, would be like a full plyo, like this. So you pick what's right for you, and then we're gonna do push-ups. So push-ups, easiest would be on something higher. So up above, you can do a push-up on a chair, make sure it's sturdy, make sure you're right over top. Next level would be down to your knees. So we're here, up tall, and then just down and lift, and then of course advance. You're gonna come up high, and then down and up. So I'm gonna choose the knee option because my shoulder is injured. So get ready, 3, 2, 1, lunging back. So always pick the option that's right for you. And like if you get tired too, you can go back. If it's too easy, then pick a harder one. So always listen to your body. And if you're not sure, make sure you book yourself with a personal trainer so that you know if you're doing things properly. Because proper form is the key to everything. So push-ups in 2 seconds. Get ready, let's go. Push up. Chest out, shoulders back. If you're on your knees, see if you can go low, down, 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 and push up. Another good way to strengthen is to come down low, 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 all the way down, and then you can reset, and then drop down again. Slowly. So that's another good way as well. Okay, so back to the lunge backs. Okay, I get sweaty now. Whew. 2, 1, let's go. There's no time for fooling around. We just gotta do it. Pick the option that's right for you. Make sure knees are in a 90 degree. And going, still going. Okay, rest, push-ups again. So this is the second round. Take your pick, it can be the chair or on the floor. And coming down and back up. So down. You want to keep your chest out like this. You want to expand everything so that you're pushing through your chest. Feel that expansion, elongate. You don't want, if you're like this, you're not doing it properly. 2 seconds, push up. 1, you're good. 2 more rounds, are you ready? We've got 5 seconds. 3, 2, lunge backs again. Let's go down. Go and go. Are you still doing it with me? I hope so. Make sure you're always breathing. 3, 2, 1. Push up again. Take your pick. It's either on something sturdy, it could be a bench, a chair. 2, 1, push-ups. Let's do it. Breathe. Chest out, shoulders back. Keep that body nice and strong. And you're going to expand and elongate. Trying to push through your chest. Okay, we got 1 more round. Okay. Are you still there? Are you still doing it? Come on, 2 seconds. 1, let's go. Down, and down. And down. 10 seconds. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Last push up. We can do this. We've got this. Chest out, shoulders back, lock it in. Core is engaged, belly button is in, down. Look ahead on the floor a little bit. You don't want to be going like this. See how it goes into my back? You want to expand your chest. Coming down, you're actually pushing through your chest. 2 seconds. And that is success. You guys are awesome. Woohoo! So grab the next, we're going to do the next set. So grab your water and get ready. Okay, so we're going to go down to the floor now, no weights, and do core work for the finish of our Tabata. So we're going to start with a side plank. I find that side planks most people are weaker on their obliques. So coming down to the side, we're going to be going a couple options. You want to make sure your elbows are right directly under your shoulder, and you can come up to your knee like this. I'm just going to push my turn back a bit. Come up to your knee, or harder, come up to your feet, or even harder, you can even stack, and even harder if you want to lift or raise an arm. You can keep the hand down too. So whatever works for you. So we're just going to switch back and forth between the sides for this first round. And starting in 3 seconds, 2, 1, and just coming up. So this is my bad shoulder, but I still find going onto my feet. I'm going to hold like this, or you can hold here. Just do what's right for you. It's only 20 seconds. Hold, hold, hold. 3, 2, 1, and switching to the other side. The second time around, I'll go into a hip dip from here if this is too easy. If it's not, then stay where you are. So coming up here, or just holding like this, or here, whatever works. You want to make sure you're nice and tall, shoulders are back. Still holding. 3, 2, 1, other side. I'm going to be flipping around a lot here. Okay, so you want to try the hip dips. You can even go on the like this, or you can come up to your feet. So just down and lift, down and crunch. So you can feel that crunch in there. And lift, and lift. 3, 2, 1. Just pick the right one that's right for you. And if moving around like this on the floor is hard for you, just skip this section, or just do a plank. And you can hold. You can do a plank anywhere too. You can either be on the floor on your knees. You can just do this and then rest. Do this and rest. So whatever is right for you. 3, 2, 1. You're good. Okay, again. Other side. And shoulder right under, elbow right under your shoulder. Coming up, and dips if you want. Breathing. Your belly button should be pulled in too. You want to pull it towards your spine. Coming down, flip over. Elbow under your shoulder. 2, 1, let's go. Knees or your feet. Hold. Dip the hip down and lift. So you should feel this on the underside. I feel it everywhere on my core. And I haven't been doing these in a while. So I'm definitely feeling it. 2, 1. Let's do one more round. You guys are gonna have super strong obliques now. No excuses. 2, 1, and let's go. Lift. Option, if you want harder, come through and up for the final grand finale. Take your pick. Oh, I can feel this. 3, 2. Oh, yes. One more. And switching in 3, 2, 1. Lift. Coming through and back up. Through. Back up. slow, and you are done. So turn that off. So great job. Stay tuned, and if you need to stretch, then go to one of my stretching videos, and or continue on to your next workout. And it was great working with you.